If you want to zoom in Lightroom Classic quickly and easily, this video will show you 3 simple ways to do it. Whether you're checking sharpness, inspecting details, or just getting a closer look at your photo, these methods will save you time inside Adobe Lightroom Classic. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips and editing guides. Let's start with the first method, which is clicking directly on the photo. In Lightroom Classic, open the image you want to inspect and click on it once. This will zoom you into a 1-to-1 view, which means you're seeing the image at actual pixel size. This is especially useful when you want to check focus, sharpness, noise, or small details in your photo. If you click again, Lightroom will zoom back out, so this is a very fast way to switch between normal viewing and close inspection. Now let's move to the second method, which uses a keyboard shortcut. Press Z on your keyboard, and Lightroom Classic will toggle zoom in and zoom out. This is one of the fastest ways to zoom while editing, because you don't need to move your mouse around or open any menus. If you're doing a lot of detailed editing, this shortcut can really speed up your workflow. The third method is using the Navigator panel on the left side. The Navigator gives you more control over how you view your image. Here you can choose Fit, Fill, 1-to-1, or 1-to-2, depending on what you need. Fit shows the entire image inside your workspace. Fill enlarges it to fill the viewing area. 1-to-1 lets you inspect the photo at full detail, and 1-to-2 gives you a slightly zoomed out view that is still helpful for checking image quality. A quick tip before we finish. If you want to check sharpness, always use 1-to-1 zoom. That is the best view for seeing whether your subject is truly in focus and whether any fine details look clean and crisp. It's a small habit, but it can make a big difference in your editing results. So now you know how to zoom in Lightroom Classic using Click to Zoom, the Z shortcut, and the Navigator panel. These methods are simple, fast, and useful for almost every editing session. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next Lightroom tutorial.